Hello everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Sometimes as busy moms and dads, we need something to fix up quickly for dinner or for lunch. So on today's recipe, guys, I'm gonna show you something that is easy and quick to make: crispy pita bread pizza. So guys, let's get started. You know, Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the pita breads on a greased baking sheet. Then we're gonna spoon 2 tablespoons of the pizza sauce on each pita. I'm using homemade pizza sauce, guys, and if you want to know how to make this sauce, guys, I'll leave the link for the video somewhere up here. Go check it out. Next, place half cup shredded mozzarella on each pita. We're gonna also go in with parmesan cheese. Now we're gonna sprinkle with dried basil on each pita, then top with pepperoni. Now we're gonna bake and cover for 10 to 12 minutes until pita bread is brown slightly and the cheese is melted. There you have it, guys. Quick and easy pita pizza in minutes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video. Thanks for watching. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.